Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for East Central Bosque County and Central Texas, Southwestern Hill County and Central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Meridian, or 8 miles north of Clifton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and baseball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Whitney State Park around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.